Hello, I'm Dhruv. I study at OFS in grade 9. Today, in this video, I wish to raise awareness about a very useful and popular app that many students use as an aid for studying. As we know, today the study for students is really hard. We face a lot of challenges and concerns on many topics. There are so many subjects in which we need help. I'm familiar to the situation. However, when I used Byju's app. This app has helped me getting my concepts clear, and I was able to do much better in exams. Here's what Mark Zuckerberg, owner, founder, and the CEO of Facebook, thinks about Byju's. Priscilla and I are excited about Byju's. We are optimistic about the personalized learning and the difference Byju's can make for students everywhere. That's why it's a major focus of our education efforts, and we are looking forward to working with companies like Byju's to get learning tools into the hands of more students and teachers around the world. Some of the main advantages of using Byju's, the learning app, are learning with fun. Kids learn with fun. The animations of the video not only help them learn new concepts, but also kids get entertained and thus learn with fun. It's available 24/7. The app is available anytime for help. This will help kids manage their time more efficiently and allow flexible study and play hours, which many people enjoy. Parent control. Parents can track the student progress and get notified on the mistakes that they make. This will help parents guide their kids accordingly. Enhance interactive learning videos. The learning videos are very high quality animation. This helps students learn difficult concepts visually. And they are also highly interactive and are explained in very great detail by experts. However, there are some disadvantages of using the app. Some of them are head problems. Students gradually start getting addicted towards the app. This adds on to their addiction towards electronic devices, leading to health problems such as weak eyesight. Disconnects them from the society. Students enjoy this app so much that they keep on engaging with the app and leave the society. Many parents are unhappy about this. Limitations. The videos in this app are more generic and are not customized according to individual needs. Byju's can be downloaded from the App Store. Once installed, you can open it. It leads us to the main page where you can see a lot of subjects: maths, physics, chemistry, biology, which we'll be doing. Say I want to learn about tissues, so these are all the stages, and if you right from introduction to test, so if you want to, each stage is a journey in itself, and these are all the subtopics. And say I want to do from this one, so there are a lot of explanations there, including diagrams, and then I go next. Then after I've read them, understood them, then they give tests. So if I give the right answer, it says the right answer, and it gives the solution as well, detailed explained solution. If I give the wrong answer, it gives us the right answer. And once I'm done with this stage. Then I can go back and I'm done with the journey. Then there's a library where I can study all the videos are. So these are all the concepts that we have to cover. So I'm doing tissues and say animal tissues. Then there is a video about animal tissues. As you can see, the video is of very good animation quality, which helps us to learn more about.
An astounding 30.
And it's available with subtitles as well. If you don't want subtitles, then we can click on the CC. Once you're done with the videos, you can go to test. So you can give the test. You have 15 minutes for 10 questions, and all the instructions are given over here. And once you start the test, so this timer over here measures how much time you're taking for one question, and this is the overall time you've left. And you have to just choose an answer and then swipe right for the next question and choose an answer. And once you feel confident, you can end the test. And yes, and it gives you your score 1 out of 10. So my accuracy was 50% and my speed was 10 seconds, and my key focus areas are tissues, and I can see what I did. Incorrect answers, they give solutions to the incorrect and unanswered questions. Then this is the statistics page where I can have an overlook analytics of my progress going of overall and the individual subject as well, which includes recent concepts learned, my performance for all of them, tests I take, recent tests, focus areas for individual subjects as well.
Thank you all for listening to me, and I will again